Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Josh app. In today's video, I'm going to show you the login process of Josh app, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Josh app. And tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Here you can log into Josh app in 3 different ways. The first way is to connect with your phone number. The second is to log in with your email ID. And the last one is to log in through Facebook. Now I will show you how to log in through email ID. So tap Continue with Google. And choose the account that you want to link with Josh app. Now create your username and tap Save. You are now logged in. And that's the login process of Josh app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.